Yo, what's going on, traders? Got a red day today. I'm gonna have 2 day trading days in one video. I was green yesterday, and I'm red today. And my green streak has been snapped. I was green since last Friday, so stay tuned. All right, traders, what's going on? So this is yesterday's action. I was green. Today I'm red. It's very small. I was green. I was green today. Then I went red. Overconfidence, overtraded. So So here we got 10 seconds before the bell open, right? You see that where I paused it at? I tried to get in here. I wanted to get in here at 14, really 14, 20 level. And it's not gonna let me get in pre-market, but I think it's gonna fill me, but it's gonna fill me like very, very late. Yesterday I almost ran into some TD Ameritrade shenanigans, man. Like when I buy, I got in real late and I was trying to sell, it was a little laggy. So got a little pullback before they open, a little washout here. I've been trying to get in that stock. So this is why I'm talking about the TD Ameritrade shenanigans. I'm trying to cancel my order. And TD Ameritrade is not gonna cancel, it's gonna fill me. So this is a bullshit. This is, excuse my language, but this is a messed up fill. I didn't really want to get in there at 1387. I really want to cancel it and try it again. But I'm gonna get the rip. So I stayed with it and I'm gonna get the rip. So I'm gonna sold that there. So I'm up $2.80. I only took they only took like 2 trades today. I mean yesterday I took like 2 trades. I ain't trade like that yesterday. So that's my first trade. And there goes the dump. I got out right before the dump. And that's why I captured that, because I want you guys to see that dump. Second trade of the day. Same stock, INDO's coming to a support level here. I'm gonna take a little trade off that level. No washout, no none of that. Just straight up buying support as long. And that's it. Buying low, selling high. So I'm gonna let it push up. I'm in that. I got out. I got out real quick. I was in there at 11:40. Got 11:51. That was an instant. I like that. That was like an instant pop. Hold up. So I got in there 11:40. All the way back. So here, tape. Look at the level 2 here. Look at the level 2. The axe. There you go. Sped up. Skipped up like a couple of cents. Jumped in there 11:40, 11:41, and now I'm gonna get a pop, like a 10-cent pop, and I'm gonna just take it off right there. Even though it does go more in my favor, but that's all I was really looking for. On the trading the backside, I don't really try to get too greedy. Trading backside. So he gave me 11 cents, so I took it. So here, this is today's action. This is this morning's action. Like I said, I was green this morning. I did some very, very good trades this morning. It's just that this is overconfident and overtraded, and I just kept trading some more, probably when I shouldn't have. I broke a rule. And that what happens when you break rules, man. You take a loss. So I jumped in there at 586. 10 shares. Today, I felt like only traded with 10 shares. I didn't really want to trade with 15 shares today. Just 10 was okay for me because I wanted to have a green day today. That's why my intentions was, because I wasn't red since like last Thursday. I've been green Friday. I've been green for 5 days. Been green 5 days in a row. I've been green Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and I'm red today. So just waiting for the rip. It's not really flushing below 580 or that low down there. So I feel like the rip's gonna come. That's why I'm holding it. Then I got 10 shares as well. I'm not really, if I lose too much, I'm not really that mad because I'm still up for the week. Here we go. 586. I think I'll take it off real quick. Yeah, I took it off right there. Excuse me. Yeah, I got out at I made 20 cents right there. Not bad. Second trade. Take a little pullback here. Think it washes out. Yeah. Here, man, this was such a good entry that I scared myself. It was so good of an entry that I just sold it for like nothing, man. That was a bad trade. And this is that trade what made me kept trading. If I had just held on to that, made a good trade, I wouldn't be looking to trade this. That last trade was just very quick, and I sold it for the pop. Like I wish I didn't do that, man. I'll get better at that because it was such a good entry, and that was instantly up. When I looked up at level 2, I was already I'm automatically up. So that was too quick of a sell. I could have held that. Anyway, here, so now I'm thinking about taking a trade here. Now this whole time taking trades, right? I wasn't even really doing my strategy here, and I wasn't looking at. I broke rules. Like look at the volume on the 3 minute chart. It's coming down. My rule is the volume has to keep increasing for me to take trades off candles, and it's starting to decline. So the buying pressure is giving up. So I shouldn't be trying to take a trade right here. Plus we got this small candle. Should not be trying to take a trade here because you see how the volume is starting. Like if you look at the volume, right, the volume is going to start going up. It's going to start getting larger than the previous candle, but the candle doesn't really move. The candle stays small. So to me, that signifies selling pressure. It's another way to identify it. It's just it really is what's happening. Like why is the volume going up? It's buying pressure, but the candle isn't getting bigger. You know what I'm saying? The candle is still staying small. That's because that those people that's buying that it got sold into. People who was buying, there was somebody selling into that move. You know what I mean? When they wanted to start to go up, somebody was selling into that move. I should say. So there, I was kind of mad. I was like, man, I can't believe I got a loss. I ain't trying to say like I'm that good, like I don't get losses, but right there, I thought I had a good read on this stock, and I was pretty little annoyed that I took a loss there. But I should have just just kept it moving, man. Like next time I take one loss on the day, man, I'm just keep it moving, man. Like I'm still green. I shouldn't be trying to take another trade here. This is gonna make me turn red. So just waiting. See, look at the volume. See how the volume's getting bigger. So I jumped in there again at 684, so I thought I was gonna rip up, but it's just that move got sold into. This is a seller up there. So wall 683 now. Wall's popping up like crazy now. And I think I'm not gonna get out of this on time either. Yep, I think I just cut it. Yeah, lost like down $2, down $3. I think I take an ad spot here? Yeah, I took another ad spot there. Now I'm at 671. Not that's an okay ad. That's an okay ad. I think I'm gonna take this off for a loss, but I wish I'd have just like right now. I wish I'd be cutting it now. I would still probably be green if I was just cutting it here. But the stock's starting to climb up, but there's a wall at 670. The stock was climbing up. I thought I was gonna get above my average. I think it does for like a split second. I had a chance to just take it off right there, and that's why I get better at too. Like I botched this trade. Like this was a messed up trade. I botched it, right? So I need to just try to get out for something. Like this wasn't a good trade already. So why I'm still trying to get greedy and trying to get above my profit? I need to take what the market gave me. I was just down 25 cents there. I should have took that. And I sold out there. So now I'm down $1.56 on the day. Yep. It was just green. Now I'm down. Two trades made me red. If I was in CMEG, I'd be red a lot more than that because I'd be paying commissions as I lost that trade. So anyway, next trade here. I don't know what I'm doing looking at this stock. I kind of don't really. I'm trying to remember if I took a trade on this stock or not because I don't really like how this stock is looking. If I did take a trade on it, I'm tripping. I don't really like how this stock is looking. I don't like the wick on that previous candle like that. Yeah, I can't remember if I took a trade or not. I don't think I did. Yeah. Actually, I didn't take any trades on this stock. Yeah. Look at the wall at 588, 590. It act like it wanted to break, but the wall came at 590. So my bad. I do take a trade. I jump in here at 595. This was a stupid trade. It was a bad trade. This was a bad trade. See, I like analyzing my videos and looking at what the hell I just did. Like why I took a trade here. I don't know why. This was a bad trade. It did my strategy, but it's just that it's too wicky. Stock hasn't really broken out of its range yet. So now I'm down $2.86 on the day. That was just a bad trade. Shouldn't took that one. So that's all the trades I recorded. I did take one more trade after that. All right, did take one more trade. Let me show you guys on the chart. Show you guys. So I didn't lose $2.86 today. I only lost $2.31 today. So I took another trade on that same stock, CYRN, a difference the stock before. Took another trade, and it was here. Right here. I took this trade. Was it this? Was it this stock? Hold on. Give me a second, guys. Yeah, CYRN. It was this stock here, right here. This is where I took a trade. I jumped in there at 622. Like it looked like a little pullback. It wasn't even a washout when I got to it. It kind of bled out to this level here, to where it closed at, but it just hovered there. So I bought it at the bottom of the red candle, and I just sold a little pop. I bought it at 622, sold it at 633.50. So I bought 5 shares too. I didn't even like do 10. I wish I would have did 10, but I bought 5 shares. And yep, took me out 50 cents, made 50 cents. I only lost $2.31 today, so it was an okay red day. But I want to post a red day. Like I'm gonna put this up there. So thank you guys for watching.